Hello all. If you watched my last video where I went to service my car, they recommended replacing the engine air filter, and I declined. They quoted about $50. I thought I would just do it myself. I got the filter from Amazon at about $12. So I'm gonna do it myself, and I'm gonna show you how it is done. So this is the air filter, and it depends upon what vehicle you drive. You wanna go look for a vehicle and also the compatible air filter. So this is the box. That's the filter housing here. It has clips all around. Make sure that you click it open, and you don't need to touch anything beyond this point. Just lift it, slide it open, and this is the filter that they wanted to replace. It should be replaced every year or at least 15,000 miles. Looks like it's pretty dirty and beat up. The price on Amazon was about $5 to $7 less than that in local auto parts store. And make sure to look at the highest ratings. You get there's this portion, and pay attention to this notch here. That should fit right here. Okay, I'm gonna just lift it up and slide it through. Make sure you don't bend. Just simply slide it through, so this notch gets covered with the housing, just like so. Once it's in place, put the clips in. You'll hear a snap. That's it. Thanks for watching.